only changes just regular feminine, masculine endings, but what is going on here? Dagesh forte or dagesh pleno? Forte. Okay. Whichever one you like. Okay, that's the end of chapter 7. Any questions in chapter 7? We'll move to chapter 8. Chapter 8 deals with Hebrew pronouns. That's where we get the fun stuff. You'll have to memorize pronouns as well in different inflections. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. That is basic definition. A noun that a pronoun refers back to is called antecedent. A noun that a pronoun refers back to is called antecedent. Ante in this case is not anti. It means before, the one coming before. And we will discover such a thing as independent personal pronoun. The reason why we call it independent personal pronoun is because it's not adjacent to any word. It appears separately before a noun or a verb, and it's not adjacent to a noun or a verb in the form of a suffix. Therefore, we call it independent. It stands alone and is not prefixed or suffixed to another word. That's what I just said. It also is carefully described on page 71, paragraph 8.3. Okay, 8.3. You will see a nice diagram there. You might go to our chart and also see it. Okay, you can see it on the chart. Independent personal pronouns. Ani or anoki means I. Altogether. Ani, anoki, I. Second masculine means you. Ata, ata, you. That's singular, you. At, at. It's you, feminine. And then who will actually mean he or it. And he will mean she or it. Who? He? He? She. So that's a nice wordplay there. In a plural form, we would be anachnu. Instead of an, it would be anachnu. And usually the suffix nun with shurik is very frequent for first common plural. Every time when you'll see, for example, Emmanuel, Emmanuel with us, El, God. Okay, so nu is the first common plural suffix. Atem would be you, masculine in plural, you, man, and so on. Atnach would be you, women, or yol, women. And then hem or hema for they in masculine form, and hen and henna for they in feminine. The only distinction here is mem and nun between masculine and feminine. Okay, you will have to memorize this chart. It appears in your textbooks. You'll have to memorize it for a quiz. Okay? So how is independent personal pronoun used? Let's look at this little section here in the context of a sentence. Ani Adonai. We always read this as Adonai in order not to mispronounce God's name or fulfill that commandment. I am the Lord. Next one down, Chad, could you read that please?
Who now Navi
Tzaddik. He is the righteous prophet. Who means he. Navi, prophet, tzaddik, righteous. That's an adjective. This is a pronoun, and this is a noun. So now you can see how in Hebrew sentence these would be related to each other. What kind of sequence? Atach melech tov. You are a good king. Literally, you are king good. Say in Hebrew it's a little bit different than in English. Ahim anachnu. We are brothers. Brothers are we in Hebrew. He isha hakama. She is a wise woman. Atem ba'ir hagedolah. You are in the great city. Okay, that's how the independent pronoun is being used. Let's see. Let's go back to our presentation here. So the way they're used, they may be used in a predicative relationship with nouns or adjectives in verbless clauses. That's one way of using them. And then we're learning something that is called demonstrative pronouns and adjectives. This is the next phase in our learning of Hebrew grammar. Demonstratives are the ones that demonstrate or point to something. This place, these people, or that place, those people. It demonstrates the proximity to the person talking. These meaning closer ones, and those meaning distant ones, okay? So let's look at page 72, 8.6, or we can see our chart here. These are the demonstratives. Zeh, this, plural will be elech, these. Feminine, zot, for this, let's say this woman, zot. Elech is these women. See, elech is the same for feminine and masculine. Who means that. Remember, what else does it mean? Who is he? Or in this instance, it's that. And it's only determined by context. And hem or hema is those. Where else do we see that? Somewhere else, didn't we? He is she or that woman. And then hen and henna is those women. Alright, so it appears both as adjective and as demonstrative pronoun. And you'll have to memorize these two. How do demonstratives are used, are being used in a sentence? Let's say demonstrative adjectives. Haish hazeh on the board, first line. This man. Haisha hazot, this woman. Ha'anashim hatovim ha'elech, these good men. Or hanashim hatovot ha'elech, these good women. These are demonstrative adjectives. Well, let's move to demonstrative pronouns. See, they are always placed in front, almost always. Hu haisha, that is the man. We could translate it, if it would be an adjective, we would say he is the man, right? But since this is a demonstrative pronoun, we have to translate who as that is the man, or he is the man. We know literally what it means, but it's actually have to be translated with the word that. Next sentence, next phrase, he haisha, that is the woman. Elech ha'anashim hatovim, these are the good men, or these are the good men. Henna hanashim hatovot, last line, those are the good women. Okay. Let's see. Relative pronoun. We also will have to learn the relative pronoun asher, which means who, which, or that. And let's repeat it all together. Asher.
Asher.
Asher. Who, which, or that. Okay. What's interesting to know about it, that this word does not change the form when it appears in the sentence. It does not change the vowel pattern. It just appears as it is, asher, in every context. In order to indicate, it doesn't change in order to indicate gender or number or anything. It just appears as it is in the lexical form. It may appear with or without makef. What is makef? A little horizontal line, which will point asher, the one which, let's say, or the man which, it's some form. And here are the examples. Ha'etz asher bethok hagan, that tree that is in the midst of the garden. See how asher is used here? Okay. Or hecharim asher tahat hashemayim. There's makef. The mountains that are under the heavens. Okay. Make sure that you understand that these are the mountains that are under the heavens. Okay. Hamelech asher behartem, the king whom you choose. See, it's not that. Whom you choose, but the one which you choose. David asher bebeit Adonai, David who is in the house of the Lord, meaning the temple. Any questions about relative pronouns? We'll get to the next portion. So we just discovered that demonstratives may be used either as adjectives or as pronouns. For example, this man, those women, or this is the man, those are the women. And then we learned demonstrative adjectives, which follow the noun that they modify and agrees in gender, number, and definiteness. Okay. They will, demonstrative pronouns will precede the noun with agreed gender, number, but not